Hello students, I am again here with the same chapter, Star and Solar System, and today we are going to discuss about the planets. As we have seen, there are 8 planets. So today we will discuss about 4 planets. The first one, here I have written the sequence distance wise: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. These first 4 planets are known as inner planets, and other 4, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, these are known as outer planets. The first, Mercury, is the very closest first planet to the solar system. It is the smallest planet and nearest to the sun. Its distance from sun is 58 into 10 to the power 6 kilometer. It revolves in 88 days. Very fast. Fastest revolution takes place by this. It rotates in 58 days. It completes one rotation on its axis in 58 days. Its temperature is 450 degrees Celsius day temperature to minus 170 degrees Celsius. It has rocky surface. It is a solid sphere like planet. Its color is yellowish orange color. It is having highest rotating speed. Now come to the second one. Second one is Venus. It is the brightest and hottest planet among all. It is closest to the Earth. It is also known as morning and evening star. Its temperature is 484 degrees Celsius. Its size is same as the size of the Earth. It is surrounded by thick clouds, so it is not clearly visible. Its rotation time is 243 days and it rotates from east to west. Its revolution time is 225 days. Its distance from sun is 108 into 10 to the power 6 kilometer, and it has no satellite, and Mercury is also having no satellite. So these two are the planets, those don't have any satellite. Now come to the third one, very important, that is Earth. As we know, it is known as a blue planet. From the space, it is observed blue and green due to water and land area. It is the only planet on which life exists. What is the reason? It has suitable conditions: water, climate, oxygen, all things, all materials are available for sustaining a life. Its distance is 15 into 10 to the power 7 kilometer from the sun. Its revolution time is 365, 1 by 4 days. Rotation, it rotates on its axis in 24 hours. Its axis tilted by 23.5 degrees in northern side. You can go through this figure. This is the globe, the earth, and it is tilted by 23.5 degree. So north pole, it's the south pole, and the middle one is equator. So here you can go through, it's tilted. Its revolution gives us the change of climates, and rotation in 24 hours, it gives us day and night. The last one is Mars, fourth one, Mars. It is known as red planet. Its atmosphere contains mainly CO2 gases and small quantity of nitrogen and argon gases. Its temperature is minus 63 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. Distance from the sun is 228 into 10 to the power 6 kilometer. Its revolution time is 687 days. Rotation time is 24 hours 37 minutes. It has two satellites, Phobos and Deimos, and our Earth has one satellite, that is known as Moon. But Mars has two satellites, Phobos and Deimos. Due to temperature minus 63 degree and 20 degrees Celsius, and also it is observed that oxygen is present there and water vapor is also there in its climate. So life is possible on Mars. You can remember the name of all the planets according to their distance from the sun. I am giving you one formula that is written here. Just go through. My very educated mother just serve us noodles. This is a sentence. My very educated mother just serve us noodles. So you have to take its first letter, first alphabet, M for Mercury, B for Venus, E for Earth, M for Mars, J for Jupiter, S for Saturn, U for Uranus, and N for Neptune. So by learning this sentence, you can remember the series of planets distance from sun to last. So today this much only. Just go through and try to understand and learn all these things and note down in your copy. Thank you very much. Just see, my very educated mother just serve us noodles, and this is globe, the earth, 23.5 degrees Celsius tilted. And if you learn this sentence, the very first letter, M for Mercury, V for Venus, E for Earth, M for Mars, J for Jupiter, S for Saturn, U for Uranus, N for Neptune. So you can learn all the things.